All right, thanks, Patrick. Another day of sunshine across Southwest Florida, something that we haven't seen a lot of. We saw a little bit of that yesterday, but more sun this afternoon and less rain. It looks like, though, the chances for rain are going to be picking back up, particularly as we get towards the end of the week, as we start to see a shift back to an easterly wind that's going to give us storm chances mainly during the afternoon and evening, but not kind of the cloudy, gray, wet weather that we saw over the weekend. Here's Storm Chill 4 Doppler tracking what's left of the rain now moving out of Hendry County into Palm Beach County and weakening also into Broward County. But Miami has been getting nailed all throughout the afternoon and evening. Upwards of 7 inches of rain in 2 hours for the Miami metro area. Going on record now with over 18 inches of rainfall for Miami. That is the wettest May on record so far. So it's crazy just how in the matter of weeks we can go from some of the driest weather we've seen to the wettest May on record. We desperately need the rain, but not necessarily all at once. But we're dry here in Southwest Florida, just humid. Temperatures tonight, 70s and 80s. At least that's where we are right now. We're going to be in the mid-70s tomorrow morning. There are some chances for showers and storms in the morning. I think what we're going to be looking at is a southwest wind, and that should start coastal chances in the morning, and then those chances will spread inland as the afternoon goes on. But in the meantime, things are going to be quiet here for tonight. We're still watching this trough of low pressure, which continues to pull away from the state of Florida. And, of course, the Hurricane Center keeping an eye on that for possible development. But the launch forecast for the Crew Dragon tomorrow are going to be looking at liftoff somewhere around 4:33. And right now, the 45th Weather Squadron at Patrick Air Force Base, the weather squadron there that forecasts for these missions, going with a 60% chance of a launch there. So going with a 40% probability that we could see a weather violation. That means even if there's a thunderstorm in the vicinity, the launch is going to be delayed or perhaps scrubbed. But there is going to be a chance for scattered thunderstorms in the forecast here for tomorrow. We'll just keep our fingers crossed and hope that they can get off without a hitch. Now, again, Invest 91, which is that tropical system that we're watching very carefully off the Florida coast. There's still a low chance for this to develop too close to land, and also unfavorable upper-level winds for this to organize any further. But it is going to bring a lot of rain to portions of northeast Florida, Georgia, and into the Carolinas here over the next couple of days. Notice all the storm chances are inland. We could see a few showers near the coast in the morning, but notice here by 4 o'clock in the afternoon, this is where all the storms are, over near Lake Okeechobee and east of Highway 29. And then on Thursday afternoon, we're going to start to get more of an easterly wind, and that's going to focus the storms a little farther west. So we're looking at west of the lake over towards I-75. A little better chance for rain for Thursday and Friday afternoon. Temperatures overnight into the 70s, highs tomorrow, upper 80s to around 90 degrees. Forecast for tonight, partly cloudy, humid. 74 your overnight low, 89 for tomorrow with a southwest wind 5 to 10. Storm chances highest inland, although we can't rule out a couple of storms near the coast in the morning. Seas 2 feet on your Inman Marine forecast with a southwest wind at 5 to 10 knots. Inland waters a light chop. 7-day forecast, storm chances each afternoon. Better chances near the coast Thursday, Friday into the weekend with highs near 90 and lows at night into the 70s. We'll be right back right after this.